Hi, Attorney Stephen G. Cobb again with frequently asked questions, and one of them I get on a day-to-day basis is, will you get a copy of the arrest report? Well, let's change that to an SAQ instead of an FAQ, questions that should have been asked, and that question would tweak just a little bit to what types of reports and information am I legally entitled to? Well, the Florida Rules of Criminal Procedure have a mechanism to get information about your case. It's what's known as a notice of discovery. It used to be called a motion for discovery, but under the rule 3.220B, the state has to provide all kinds of information. For example, a list of witnesses and how they can be contacted, a page of information that's a checkoff list. We'll just call it the state attorney checkoff list. A copy of the arrest report, a copy of the probable cause statement if it's not part of the arrest report. Sometimes they're built into the arrest report, sometimes there's an addendum of probable cause. It varies from county to county and department to department. There also might be an offense report. There could be an incident report, a supplemental report, written witnesses by witnesses rather. There also could be an intoxilizer printout card if it's a DUI case. There also can be intoxilizer maintenance records. We're up to past 10 things at this point. In other words, if you ask the right question, you get the right answer. And the right question really is, what type of information can I get? And the answer is the information specified in the Florida Rules of Criminal Procedure. So as a standard practice, what we normally do is we file a written plea of not guilty. We demand a trial by jury, because if you go to court by yourself, they're going to flip you over on the bench trial docket, which is one of two dockets, one where you have a judge and jury, or where you have no jury. And once you lose your right to a jury trial without even realizing it, it gives the state, a great advantage, and we don't want that. Also, the next thing is to really file for that discovery, that notice of discovery. And there are some additional things that can be obtained. For example, witnesses in many cases can be compelled to give pretrial testimony in the form of depositions. So if you have more questions about the discovery process and want to know what type of information you're entitled to or anything about the legal system, just give us a call, 850-423-0035.